Welcome to this tutorial where we will walk you through the process of configuring PowerProtect Data Manager to utilize a local account on Microsoft SQL Server. To complete our goal, ensure you have 3 key prerequisites in place. First, let's create a local user and include them in the local administrators group. To do this, launch Computer Management and navigate to Users under Local Users and Groups. Right-click to create a new user, providing the necessary details. Move to Groups, also under Local Users and Groups, and add the newly created user to the Administrators group. Now, add the user account to Microsoft SQL Server Logins and set up the required roles and permissions using Microsoft SQL Studio. Expand the Security section, right-click on Logins and select New Login. In the General section of the New Login window, choose the local user created earlier. Under Server Roles, assign the appropriate server roles to the login. For further details on user roles and permissions, refer to the PPDM SQL User Guide. Moving on, let's add credentials for the local user in PPDM. Open the PPDM UI, navigate to the Administration section on the left and select Credentials. Click the Add button. In the Add Credentials window, choose OS under Type. Give a name to identify the credentials within the PPDM UI and enter the username and password associated with the SQL Server host. Now, you can either add these credentials to the existing policies or include them when creating new policies. You have also the option to save these credentials within PPDM for future usage by clicking the Add button. These credentials can also be assigned to the SQL Server within the Asset Sources section by clicking the Edit Credentials button. Once assigned, these credentials will be used to back up databases on the selected SQL Server. Additionally, you will find an Add option at the bottom of the drop-down menu, allowing you to include new credentials if you haven't already added them to PPDM. And there you have it! You successfully configured PPDM to use a local account in Microsoft SQL Server. Thank you for watching. And if you need more information, don't forget to check the PPDM SQL User Guide.